Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're opening a Miniverse nature series. Let's see what we're building. Ooh, these strawberries. I did want to see these because, like the tomatoes, you're supposed to be able to pick them off. Oh, they're just falling off. I guess you can add them back on too. There's a little hole in the top.
I think.
Yeah, you can. That's really cute.
If you
and a good idea.
I'll grab some Elmer's glue.
Elmer's glue? Yeah, you could glue it back on there. Let's see. Where's the other one? Oh, there it is.
This next.
I still haven't found these in the store, so I just ordered a couple with my. I don't feel like that's gonna go on. With my trolley, my little candy trolley. So this should be a very simple build. And it does come with the basket. That way you can pick them and display them in there. I love that. I think that's a really cute concept. Probably have a trowel in here and some tweezers. Oh yeah, and then the legs for this if you want to make it a shelf. So, and the soil has tomato and strawberries on it. Let's take a look. Still need to find that other koi fish too. So there's the strawberries, and there's no resin involved. I didn't put resin on my lettuce, and that's holding up pretty well, so we'll see if it's the same with the strawberries, but we're going to add a whole bunch of soil, probably all of it, and then put the strawberries in the middle and pack the soil around it, and then you can pick and put the strawberries in there if you choose to do so. So let's clean up and build this one. Let's start by opening our soil. Fruit and veggie mix is what it says. Okay. Did a very poor job of cutting the bag open, so now I'm like struggling to get the soil out. I love this stuff. It's kind of like kinetic sand, but a little grainy. Okay, I'm gonna add all of it. And I might actually add the strawberry at this point before I start packing everything down. That way I can hide the root and not have to dig a hole for that afterwards. I feel like it's gonna stay better. Now, if you do want to cure this, you definitely can. Take some clear resin, put it in there, cure it, and then move the roots the other way and then do the same thing. Which honestly, might have to do that. This is not easy like the lettuce was, I don't think. Maybe it's too early to say that though. It just kind of flops over. I was trying not to set these, but I don't know, I might have to. Keep working on it and pressing it down. It's pretty sturdy in there now, but since you can pick these, I feel like it's going to rip the whole plant out. Okay, so it did end up coming out, so I did dig all the way down instead of having some dirt first. You know what? That's what I could do. I could remove all this and cure this to the base and then put the sand in there, or the dirt rather. That way it's stuck to this, but you can still move the dirt if you want to. That might be a cool idea. Otherwise, I think it'll be a little finicky if you don't. You could obviously super glue it. You don't have to use resin, but I just tend to have a lot of clear resin from some of like the lifestyle and garden sets. So yeah, you could, you don't have to, but you can see it's lifting up. Otherwise, it's pretty okay. It's not gonna, it is getting loose in there, but actually no, I kind of hate it. If I'm being honest, I kind of hate it. I'm gonna dig all this out. and I'm going to put it at the bottom. We're gonna
Maybe you
cure it.
some of the strawberries fall down. I
Yeah.
think that will look cute.
Yeah, I'm gonna leave some of them off,
Up
but
to
I'm gonna
the
cure it in the middle just like that. Let me grab some resin. Got some fresh H2O over here.
Oh no, not H2O. Oh no.
And you just literally need like a drop of it. It won't take much.
I have to start.
It's probably way more than what I need, but that's fine. And again, you could super glue it or use other things to hold it down. But let me go ahead and cure this under my lamp, and I will be right back to show you. So I put it in the center, pretty much in the center, cured it, and then it's kind of naturally leaning this way. So I think that looks good from that side. And it's nice and sturdy in there. And then I could add back those other strawberries if I want. But let's take the dirt and kind of form it around there, so it looks how it's supposed to look. So far I really like the garden ones more than I thought I would. I do need to get the tomato. I feel like I'm least excited about the carrot, but I also haven't seen it, so maybe I will change my mind about that. But I did the turtle, no, frog, and one of the koi fish, which were the ones I wanted to see most. I still want to see the other koi fish, the tomato plant. I'm trying to think if there's anything else. I did get one of the floral ones I'll be doing here next. But yeah, look how nice that sits now. I think that's very cute and easy build. And then of course you can pluck them off of here and put them in there. And I like that they made the strawberries. Some of them, the sizes are a little bit different, so it kind of gives it like a natural vibe to it. Like that one's huge, and then the other ones are smaller, a little bit of dimension. But yeah, that is the strawberry plant. What do you guys think of this one? I think out of the entire set, looking at all 12, I'd probably give it like an 8 out of 10. I think it's a good idea, and I love that you can pluck them. So yeah, that's what I have for you today. If you want to see more Miniverse, then make sure to subscribe and stay tuned. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.